Level 1. What is the national bird of the USA? A bald eagle, B. Falcon, C. hawk. It's a bald eagle. They can live up to 30 years. Which animal is famously called the trash panda? It's B. raccoon. They wash their food before eating. Which bear is a symbol of Yellowstone Park? It's the grizzly bear. Their bite is strong enough to crush a bowling ball. Level 4. What is the official national mammal of the U.S.? It's American bison. They can jump 6 feet high. Which animal is famous for its stinky spray? It's skunk. Sorry guys for the missed image, I was not able to generate that. Which animal is also known as a cougar? It's mountain lion. They can leap 18 feet high. Which animal plays dead when it's scared? It's a possum. They are immune to most snake venom. Which bird is a famous icon of the American desert? It's B. roadrunner. They run up to 20 miles per hour. Which snake has a rattle on its tail? It's rattlesnake. The rattle is made of the same stuff as your fingernails. What is the fastest land animal in the U.S.? It's pronghorn. They hit speeds of 55 miles per hour. Level 12. Which Florida animal is known as a sea cow? It's a manatee. They are actually relatives of the elephant. What is the fastest land animal in the U.S.? It's pronghorn. They hit speeds of 55 miles per hour. Which lizard is venomous and lives in the desert? Gila monster. They spend 90% of their lives underground. Which rare mammal was once thought to be extinct? It's impossible. Black-footed ferret, one of the rarest animals in North America.